Google Meet has become one of the go-to apps for video conferencing, whether you're into business, school, or staying connected with family. In today's video, we'll be covering all the standout features that make Google Meet a reliable, secure, and versatile video conferencing tool for mobile. Available on Android and iOS, Google Meet lets you connect securely with ease, from one-to-one calls to large group meetings. Here is our top features that make it so essential tool for virtual communication. First off, let's talk about Google Calling. Google Meet offers high quality one-to-one ratio and group video calls with end-to-end encryption for enhanced security. Whether it's a quick catch-up or a group meeting, your privacy is protected. You can also create or join cloud encrypted meetings with a link. Just send the link and participants can join from anywhere, making it perfect for quick and secure meetings on the go. So let's create our link. What we're gonna do is we're going to go to the new icon, and now we'll go to create new meeting. We're creating it by link. Here is the link. I can just copy the link and share it to my friends, or I can just click share directly to share it to my friends. So you want more professional or fun backgrounds? Google Meet offers virtual backgrounds and visual effects, so you can blur your background and add custom images and even apply effects that add a personality to your calls. Live caption makes meetings accessible to anyone by showing real-time captions. This feature is ideal for noisy environments or users that prefer reading alone. So do you need to share a link or a note? The in-meeting chat lets you communicate with participants during the call without disrupting the conversation. For brainstorming sessions, Jamboard integration lets you use the virtual whiteboard perfectly for drawing and note-taking, collaborating visually with your team. For more focused discussions, certain Google Workspace editions allow you to create breakout rooms. These smaller rooms are great for dividing large meetings into groups. Hand raising lets you get the moderator's attention without interrupting. It's a quick and easy way to signal that you have a question or you have an input. You can also use the emoji reactions to engage without saying a word. It keeps meetings interactive and lets you express yourself in real time. Google Meet's safety controls gives the host the power to end the call, turn off the chats, disable screen sharing, camera and microphone. For participants, it is helpful for maintaining control in a larger meeting. If you are joining a meeting while driving or out and about, on-the-go mode provides a simplified interface so you can stay connected without distractions. Google Meet also adjusts layouts based on who is speaking, offers low light mode for dim environments, and noise cancellation to reduce background sounds, ensuring clear communication wherever you are. In summary, Google Meet's features make it one of the best mobile apps for video conferencing with end-to-end encryption, easy to use layouts and accessibility features like live captions. It has something for everyone. While some features are exclusive to the Google Workspace users, the free version still packs a punch. Let's wrap up on Google Meet's mobile app features. Whether you're for work, study, or even personal use, this app has everything you need for productive virtual meetings. If you have any favorite feature of Google Meet, comment below the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 1B Tech. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.